Electrical Safety Introduction. 1. Electrical safety in the workplace and home. Understanding risks and best practices. Recognizing the hazards associated with their work environment. Use of appropriate procedures and protective equipment. Procedures for locking out and tagging out energized electrical circuits and equipment safely. Care and maintenance of PPE. Introduction. Electricity is essential but can be hazardous. Common risks: shocks, burns, fires, and explosions. Importance of proper safety measures. 3 common electrical hazards: exposed wires, overloaded circuits, wet conditions near electrical sources, faulty or damaged equipment, lack of grounding. For electrical shock and its effects. Minor shocks: tingling or discomfort. Severe shocks: burns, muscle contractions, respiratory arrest. How shocks occur: human body as conductor. 5 fire hazards. Causes: overloaded circuits, faulty wiring, overheating appliances. Prevention: proper circuit protection, inspections, and maintenance. Hot work for maintenance in workplace. 6 safety precautions. Do not overload outlets. Keep electrical devices away from water. Use insulated tools. Ensure proper grounding. Regular inspections and maintenance. 7 personal protective equipment, PPE. Insulated gloves. Rubber-soled shoes. Protective eyewear. Flame-resistant clothing for high-risk environments. 8 home electrical safety. Use surge protectors. Unplug and use appliances. Avoid DIY electrical work unless qualified. Keep cords in good condition. 9 workplace electrical safety. Lockout/tagout, LOTO procedures. Proper training for employees. Safe use of extension cords. 10 emergency faulty equipment immediately. Turn off the power source if safe to do so. Do not touch the person if they are still in contact with electricity. Call emergency services immediately. Administer CPR if necessary, only if trained. 11 conclusion. Electrical safety saves lives. Awareness and prevention reduce risks. Always follow best practices and safety guidelines.